What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to start a Kia Sorento if the key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery in the key fob or some other issue, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Sorento started. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2015 Kia Sorento in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this is only going to apply to the Kia Sorentos that have a push-button start ignition. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying key not detected. So what we need to do is start the vehicle as normal, except we're going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. So press the brake in like you normally would. Come over here. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.